guys, Rochelle here with my new book, Recipes for a Zesty Life. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to put together the Zesty Life bowl with some turmeric up the Zen sauce. For the Zesty Life bowl, I prepared ahead of time quinoa with roasted yam, chickpeas, and cauliflower, some kale, beet sauerkraut, pea shoots, avocado, and topped it with walnuts and pumpkin seeds. So whether you just got back from a bike ride or you just want a feel-good dinner, you've got a wicked dose of nutrients. So for the sauce, the turmeric up the Zen sauce, I've got coconut milk, ginger, lemon, and turmeric, which comes in a lot of different forms. So you can use turmeric powder, you can grate turmeric root, or you can buy this cool turmeric and lime paste from Nestor's or one of your other local grocery stores. So part of what makes my recipes awesome is that they're super simple. So with this one sauce, you can create beautiful, simple dishes that will leave you feeling satisfied and energized. So let's put together the turmeric up the Zen sauce. I've got my coconut milk. I'm gonna squirt some lemon in there. Oh yeah. I'm going to take my grated ginger and squeeze the juice out of that. And for this one, I'm going to use the turmeric lime paste. Just a little bit of that. And then I'm going to finish it off with a pinch of salt. I like this pink Himalayan salt. It's got lots of vitamins in it. And then a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Mix that up real good. You can play around with the amount of turmeric you use for how much you like it. And then, yeah, we're going to just drizzle it right on our bowl here. Yeah, look at that. Delicious. Alright guys, so that is the Zesty Life bowl with the turmeric up the Zen sauce. There you go guys, the Zesty Life bowl with turmeric up the Zen sauce from my new book, Recipes for a Zesty Life. You can check out the book and pre-order at Zestylife.ca/book. And thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the trails.